There he is. Okay, I see him.
Wait, I see him moving.
Right back there?
Yeah. I can see him walking.
Good.
I can see his legs down underneath, whatever they are. I mean, I know they're legs.
Yeah. He's on the move. You got him? He's walking. Bull's walking. Come up now. He's in front of you enough. Here we go, Ariel. Woo. And I lost him. I'm ready to go.
That's a school bus, the bus.
That's the van, tour bus. We ran into him a couple times. The tour bus today.
What? No, let's get it through there.
Can we go farther forward? Ariel?
Sure.
Here. Just turning towards us. But whatever's behind right now, it blends his rack blends in. Oh, one of the ladies is behind him.
Will she be in the picture too?
Oh, she was. There he's coming towards us. Did you get that?
Mm-hmm.
I see him now.
Okay, he's out of my... I gotta get out in front. Here he comes. He's starting to come past the tree. I just saw him starting to walk behind the last left branches. I saw movement. I see legs or something was moving.
Mm-hmm.
There he comes. See him?
Yep. Perfect.
The cows up in there too.
They're over here to the left trees. These little trees there to the left.
Are they still walking too?
Nope, they're kind of grouped all up.
Oh, that's cool.
Is he that direction now?
He's straight in front of me.
How far away?
Here he comes, not very far, about 100 feet.
Between.
He's between the bushes now. I'm hiding him. You can't see him. If I step, can you see him?
No, don't worry about it.
The hill's going to be in our way.
The hill's in your way probably because I'm standing up tall here.
Two buses stopped